Test trigger tests are so stable because they are running on the level of humans. The problem with Selenium and basically all other frameworks on the market is that they hook up to details of implementation of the specific page. So once engineer builds the page, and the engineers would hook up to details like XPaths, CSS selectors, IDs, names, and so on and so forth. And as soon as those details change, test breaks, even though from end user's perspective there is no difference. Because test trigger operates on end user level, you are writing specification in English, and test trigger execute your specification, emulating how manual tester would do that. It doesn't matter that implementation changes. As soon as from end user's perspective everything is the same, test trigger test will succeed.